Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So recently I've been watching the Planet of the Apes movies, the original ones, and I came to the third movie. And in the third movie, two talking, speaking, walking on two legs apes come down to Earth in a spaceship, and they come from the future because there's like war and there's all sorts of chemical and nuclear warfare and crazy stuff's going on. Right? So they get to what would be their past, and they come and they have a kid in the future. Now, I thought this and I said, hold the phone. When did they conceive the child? Because this is where the omnipotent nut theory comes in. Now, this is a original right over here. And you best be prepared because I'm about to blow some minds and wet some panties, most likely. So, let's imagine that this is the spaceship. Now, let us imagine that there is ape A and B. This shall be ape A. Woo. Ape A. Now, let's also take another ape. Ooh, this is another ape. Kind of a chunky, squat fellow. Ape B. Now, let's imagine, for argument's sake, that, you know, it's a stressful environment being on a spaceship. You're zooming, you're moving, you're in outer space. Crazy stuff's happening. Perfect time to have sex, wouldn't you say? So let's say the spacecraft is moving this direction. Now, we know that at some point, to get from the future to the past, they must have gone through a wormhole. And let's say, for argument's sake, that while these two apes were getting it on, they also went through the wormhole at the same time. Let's say the wormhole is right here. They're passing through the wormhole. Now, here's the crazy part. Let's say ape B is the male. We'll label it M, right? Now let's say ape A is in ape B's future. So we'll call this F for future. And to ape A, ape B is in ape A's past. So we'll label this P, right? Now, to the two apes, they're having sex in the present. So they're both having, so to them, relatively speaking, they're having sex in the present. So let's, just make a denomination. Now this is the apes, hoo-ha. Now this is where the omnipotent nut theory comes in. Ape B is balling so hard that he is having sex simultaneously, not only in the future, but also the past and also the present. Basically, in a way, he's having sex at all possible times that there could be. Ape B has transcended what any mere mortal could even hope to be, which is the omnipotent nut. And anyway, I just thought I should share this with you because, shocking discovery, just changed the entire world of physics, just in a day's work. If you're feeling lonely, feeling sad, whatever, you want to play video games, Discord in the description. Love you all. Hopefully another video tomorrow.